Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split this column of zip codes into this kind of transactional format data in the Power Query. So it's a one-liner formula in the Power Query, and we're going to do that so that we can attain this kind of separate zip codes per row and on a per area. So we're going to do that in another workbook. So I have my workbook here. This is a quick tutorial. So I'm going to select any of my data, go to Data tab from Table Range. So my table has headers, so I will check that here, the box here, and then OK. And then here, the first thing that I will do is to make sure that the zip codes column is in text format because I'm going to apply Text.Split later on. So I'm going to choose the icon here and then choose text, and that's it. Now I'm gonna use this technique. So right click this change type and then click insert step after, and here we're gonna create the formula. We're gonna use Table.Group, and in a Table.Group it needs a table. So that's the table, the change type here, comma. It also needs a key, and the key here is each row of the area column. So in double quote area, and then comma, it needs an aggregated list. So I will do this double curly bracket, open and close. And in here, we're going to declare a new column name. So the new column name is, instead of the zip codes, we're going to use zip to see the difference later on. And then comma, we wanted to have that each of this new column will be applied with a text.split. So in a text.split, we wanted to split all the rows. So in underscore, all the rows of the zip codes column. So in square bracket, zip codes, and starting with row 0. So in curly bracket 0, that's here, number 1 here. And comma, it needs a delimiter. And in double quote, that will be the comma and a space. It's like this. And then let me close the text.split and also close the Table.Group, enter, and that's it. That's the list of all the zip codes in this kind of format. So we just expand that into new rows, and that's it. Make sure it's in decimal number if you want. So I will do that, and then decimal number, and then you can load it in a spreadsheet. So go to the Home tab. Can I go to the Home tab, close and load to, and then use existing worksheet, put it here in this cell, U1, OK. And that's it. That's the same thing that I've shown you before. Let me quickly check it. Let's add another entry here in the last item, and then click data and refresh all. Check it here. OK, that's been added in the report format. You can also delete some of the data. Refresh all. The last entry here is 1639. Let me check it. That's it. So you can also add a row. So that's it. You can check it on your own. So I'm finished. I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button and see you next time, and thanks.